So Thomasine, this library has just been inaugurated.
Yes.
What's the purpose and plan?
See, actually, the importance of library is known to everybody. It promotes reading habits. It gives access to information. But what we have decided here is, beside this objective, we are going to also make this a center of community. Because this building has got two parts. Ground floor will be used as a library, whereas the first floor will be used as a cultural center.
What's the area of it?
The total area will be about, the ground floor will be about 70 to 80 square meters. And similarly, 70 to 80 square meters will be the first floor.
Specially built, custom built for...
Actually, it is built for this purpose only. And the whole expenditure is borne by Mr. Agnel Fernandez, who is the ex-MLA. Now also to set up this library, the whole financial support is come from him. And he is the chairman of this library and this institution. And in order to run that effectively, an advisory body is formed.
Of which you are the president.
Of that advisory body is me, myself. And there are 3-4 other members. Then our idea is what? To attract students. And for that also we have giving them the opportunity of making use of the internet. Xerox machine is brought.
I see.
So we will be bringing all the required books. All the required books for examinations of 10th, 12th.
Competitive exam and public exams.
Public examinations. And you know, there are many books, but all cannot afford to buy. So they can come here, refer it. And not only that, they can also take certain parts, Xerox it, and take it at home. So we are hoping that many students will come here to visit. And this being the first, because actually, when I was the Sarpanch, this idea of having a library somewhere in 93 has come. That was my last days of Sarpanchship, because when I became the speaker, I resigned in 95. So that time the same lady, landlady, we have discussed the matter, and since then, this matter
has been on the cards.
20 years
has been on the cards.
Agnel Fernandez, he did all possible things.
Government was supporting in those days their own libraries.
No, but they were supporting
like Kalangut. But then it subsequently pettered out.
Yes, definitely.
Some problem.
And what happens? Government libraries are not the way we want it. And along with the library,
they run bureaucratically.
Bureaucratically. Along with the library, we are also interested in having this. This was very important for us, social center, cultural social center, in which educational, literary, cultural activities will be organized. The talents from country will be searched, and a lot of work in this direction will be made.
So the timings will be long also? It will be open?
Yes, exactly. We have not yet decided. Because even now you see the books are on the tables. Some more cupboards are yet to come.
Correct. So some setting up is still to be done.
Another 15 days will take to put everything in order.
But the plan is to keep it as open as...
Yes.
So it really serves the village.
He has provided a library here. And all this...
you might need more volunteers also, no?
And financial support, he has got hotels. So he feels this is his corporate initiative to give back to the society.
But apart from the money, which is of course important, what are the other factors that will play a crucial role in its success or failure?
So now see, therefore, the most important thing, how best we can attract the children. We are depending on children most. Why? Because if they start coming here, they will continue to come. Our elders, we know there are many elders here who will come, because otherwise they were spending their time here and there. Whenever there was a football match on the ground, they were happy because they could get some entertainment. But now they will come here, there is no doubt. But children, because nowadays reading habits are gone, and that we want to create. It is a challenge, but we are confident that we will succeed.
If we look at libraries at Mapsa and other municipalities, the newspapers are a big draw. Magazines and newspapers.
Yeah, we are going to give all the newspapers.
Okay.
English, Konkani, Marathi.
Down here.
Down.
Here.
Yeah. Everything will be here. All magazines.
Okay.
And as you are telling me, there is that proposal. I will discuss with them. And
magazines already are there, but there are still more that you could.
Yes. And there are newspapers also. They must have just removed now and somewhere.
I see.
All gone newspapers are there.
So if someone wants to replicate, what is the cost? I'm not talking about land because that will vary. In Kandoli, land is gold, but
this will cost a bit. Exactly, I don't know how much he has spent.
Okay. But without the building, supposing if the building is there, then it may not be so costly.
Actually, these books will cost at least 3 to 4 lakhs.
3 to 4 lakhs.
Books.
Correct.
Then
furniture and infrastructure.
Furniture, then laptops. Then
true.
Internet machine, all that. This is not over.
Running cost.
That is important.
Plus staff. Someone not turning up because you're too small to have 2 librarians and one is not enough.
No.
So
let us see. We will be.
This is the first library. We have so-called a lot of NGO libraries on paper, but this is the first library of its kind.
For me, it is the first library of its kind because we have a vision.
Okay.
And the vision is to make this library as a center of this community.
Okay.
And for that, we'll attract them in various ways. As I told you, various activities, cultural, educational, literary, so all sections of the likings of the people, we will see that they
So you're suggesting that this could be a model for other villages?
Definitely. It can be a model. But wait for 1 year at least.
Let's see how it runs.
All our thinking, all our planning, how we put into practice, and then we can definitely say.
All the best.